गुड मॉर्निंग। भारतीय प्रौद्योगिकी संस्थान कानपुर की तरफ से ये हमारे लिए बहुत गौरव का विषय है कि आज हम हीरक जयंती वर्ष में अपना स्थापना दिवस मना रहे हैं और इस गौरवशाली दिन पर मुझे प्रसन्नता है मानव संसाधन विकास मंत्री भारत सरकार माननीय श्री रमेश पोखरियाल जी निशंक का स्वागत करते हुए सर आपका संस्थान में स्वागत है। I am also delighted to welcome Secretary SERB, Professor Sandeep Verma, who also happens to be, our own IIT Kanpur person, distinguished alumni who are present here, Institute Fellows, and more importantly, Mr. Rahul Mehta of the Mehta Family Foundation and all his family members who have traveled from the United States to witness this historic event where we are also going to lay the foundation of the Center for Engineering in Medicine, which is being established with generous support from the Mehta family. Sir, the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, was established on 2nd November 1959 under the then technical assistance of Kanpur Indo-American program called KAYAP. And Professor P.K. Kelkar was the founding director, who was one of the most prolific and passionate educationists our country has witnessed. And on this foundation day, मैं डॉक्टर पी.के. केलकर का भी नमन करना चाहता हूं, जिनके परिश्रम और अथक प्रयासों और विजन के द्वारा आज हम इस स्थिति पर पहुंचे हैं। IIT Kanpur has many firsts to its credit. The science-based engineering curriculum, semester-based systems, computer science education, all that was what, the remarkable firsts of the institute. In this journey of success, this has been possible because of the enormous amount of commitments and hard work which has been put up by the extended IIT Kanpur family, which comprises of our excellent faculty, bright students, dedicated staff, and outstanding alumni who have been working with the institute in this long journey of 60 years. All these stakeholders continue to demonstrate their passionate attitude towards advancement of this institute, and today, whatever we are seeing in this institute is because of the dedication of all these stakeholders. And I really like to express my deep sense of gratitude to all of them. Personally, sir, it is a historic moment and occasion for me as well. I was an alumnus of IIT Kanpur. मैं इस संस्थान का भूतपूर्व छात्र रह चुका हूँ और इस संस्थान से शिक्षण करने के बाद मैंने 23 वर्षों तक IIT बॉम्बे में अपनी सेवाएं दी और इससे अधिक गौरव का विषय क्या हो सकता है कि मैं इस संस्थान के हीरक जयंती वर्ष में वापस लौटा इसके डायरेक्टरशिप लेने के लिए। So this is indeed a proud moment for me personally as well, as it is for all of us. Sir, the research at IIT Kanpur is fueled by intellectual curiosity and a commitment to excellence. Here at IIT Kanpur, we urge to address the contemporary challenges for achieving societal benefits, जिनका सीधे राष्ट्र और समाज में उपयोग हो सके, और उसकी एक झलक सर आपने अभी देखी विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में, जिसमें IIT कानपुर अपनी टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट के कारण प्रसिद्ध है. On this occasion, I would also like to mention few of the path-breaking scientific contributions which have been made by our faculty members, which includes ranging from primality theorem to National Air Quality Index to electronic fuel injections for natural genetic selection algorithms, among host of many others. आपने अभी देखा होगा कि दिल्ली में वायु प्रदूषण के बहुत समाचार आ रहे हैं। नेशनल एयर क्वालिटी इंडेक्स जिससे प्रदूषण मापा जाता है, उस एयर क्वालिटी इंडेक्स को बनाने में भी आईआईटी कानपुर का सीधा योगदान है। With the vision of achieving this and deepening the interactions between industry and academia, sir, we have also set up a very vibrant innovation and incubation system, technology research park, which is branded as Techno Park, and several research centers, which includes National Center for Flexible Electronics, Center for Cyber Security, Center for Railway Research, Center for Excellence for Defense Corridors, and so on. On this occasion, I would like to take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt congratulations to all the respective institute fellow awardees and awardees of Distinguished Alumnus Award, Distinguished Services Award, and Satyendra K. Dubey Memorial Award. It is worthwhile to mention that because of the excellence of IIT Kanpur alumni in different fields, the name of their alma maters continues to shine brighter. Sir, यहाँ पर कहना प्रासंगिक नहीं होगा कि इस समय सरकार में सर करीब 11 सेक्रेटरीज आईआईटी कानपुर के अलुमनाई हैं। मुख्य आर्थिक सलाहकार डॉक्टर कृष्णमूर्ति सुब्रमण्यम जो आज अवार्ड रिसीव करने वाले हैं, वो आईआईटी कानपुर अलुमनस है। प्रिंसिपल साइंटिफिक एडवाइजर टू द प्राइम मिनिस्टर also happens to be an IIT Kanpur alumnus. और देश के विभिन्न संस्थानों, एकेडमिक इंस्टीट्यूट्स का नेतृत्व करने वाले करीब 7 से 10 डायरेक्टर्स, जिनमें मैं भी इंक्लूडेड हूं, भी आईआईटी कानपुर के भूतपूर्व छात्र हैं। And so it is indeed a moment of pride that I say this because of the outstanding educations and training that all these students have got, that they have reached their milestones. Sir, despite having been challenged by various twists and turns that are part and parcel of the journey, we, the community of IIT Kanpur, are steadfast in being purposeful in advancing knowledge through thick and thin, as is reflected in our motto, Tamso Ma Jyotirmagay, from darkness lead me to the light. Best wishes, Jai Hind.